Y'all, I couldn't end it like this. I finished the cup and I was not impressed, so we about to spruce this up a little bit. So I had already added some more ice cream to this. I'm actually gonna add some more, and I had to add some more cinnamon to it because it gives you the eggnog type of texture, and I'm not a fan of that at all. Like, you tell me it's gonna be a milkshake, this thing need to be a milkshake. So I'm gonna add some more ice cream, add like at least 2 more scoops. So usually if like for every half cup of milk, I would add a scoop of ice cream, or at least a cup of ice cream. The way that recipe set up right now is gonna be super runny. Y'all probably not gonna like it, to be honest. I threw in a teaspoon of vanilla. I added a teaspoon of cinnamon to this, and also 2 more scoops of ice cream to try to redeem this. Jell-O failed me. Like, that recipe was not good at all. So get it together. So Oreo, I'm sorry. Y'all back in my good graces. Cause Jell-O did not come through in the clutch at all. So we gonna test this out one more time. It's a little bit thicker. Flavor should be decent. Cause you can see the cinnamon this time versus it being like super runny and looking like eggnog, as I mentioned. So bottoms up. Much better. Gives you the thickness of a shake. Still a little bit on the runny side because of all that daggone milk y'all had in there, but overall it's good. So again, for every cup of ice cream, add a half a cup of milk. It'll actually save you, like, when it comes to balancing everything out, and it will be way better for you. So next time I make a shake, best believe we're gonna have the right proportions, and hopefully we can get it all together, Jell-O. Peace out.